welcome back to my channel. This is Rakhi Singh and I'm back with another video, and I'm back in India for some days abhi ke liye, but soon I'll be back permanently. But anyway, the point is that there are so many haul videos are coming on your way, and uska maine मतलब अभी काफी time से I'm just making haul videos whatever you guys are requesting me. Also you can DM me on my Instagram जो भी आपको और other haul videos देखनी है या कुछ भी, and the handle is on the screen. और आज का जो वीडियो है वो है साड़ी हॉल, क्योंकि मुझे उसकी बहुत टाइम से रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी कि प्लीज एक अफोर्डेबल साड़ी हॉल बनाइए. ऑल द साड़ीज आर अंडर ₹500, which is great. And yeah, that's it. Now let's move to the video without any further ado. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel, because on this channel you guys are going to watch so many haul videos which are super affordable. So please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it, so whenever I upload a video you get the notification. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Now let's move to the video without any further. So let me first tell you guys that all the sarees I have draped roughly, so please don't judge me. And this is the first saree. It's a mustard color saree with a different kind of a border, as you guys can see. And this is really nice. The fabric of this one is art silk, and the art silk is like an artificial silk fabric. And the price of this one is somewhere around 450, I guess. I will mention on the price, all the prices on the screen. You can check. I really love the border of this one. It's a contrast border, comes with a nice blouse piece. Also the saree is not plain. It has got a really nice texture, and I really liked it. It's a normal plain saree, easy to drape, and you can style these type of sarees anywhere if you are going for small occasions, or if you are a school teacher. Also you can carry these type of sarees for your office purpose. These are really formal and nice and simple sarees. So yeah. Moving to the next one, which is this orange and pink color combination saree with checked pattern, and the blouse piece also comes in same running pattern. I really loved it. It's one of my favorite saree. The price of this one is so affordable. This is just for ₹380, and I loved everything about it. The fabric of this one is cotton silk, and it's so comfortable to wear, easy to drape, got the nice tassel detailing on the pallu, and I really loved it. It's perfect for any family puja or any other family occasion. I really loved it, and I would highly recommend you this one, because it's totally worth it, and I can't wait to style it, and will show you the pictures on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, just go and follow me. The handle is on the screen. Next is this black saree with kalamkari design running on the pallu and borders, and again this is the same type of a saree. The fabric of this one is art silk, though they have mentioned on the website that it's 100% cotton, but it's not at all cotton. It's quite comfortable, not that bad. I really love the design of this one. Some gods and some epic designs are there, which looks really pretty, and the color combination is really again very pretty, very simple and very easy to drape. Again, you can style these type of sarees for daily use, or maybe for some small family gatherings. It's very lightweight, comes with a blouse piece, and the price of this one is somewhere around 400, so it's not that bad in that price, because for daily use these type of sarees are really good to go. And yeah, if you just want like these type of sarees, or this fabric feels comfortable to you, definitely you can go for it. It's nice, I mean. The another one is this orange and blue color combination saree. This comes with the zari works all over the body and the line zari pallu. As you guys can see, I really love the touch up of blue color. This also has a nice blue color blouse piece, which will definitely look good when you just drape it nicely, and very affordable. I think right now the price of this one is pretty high, so you have to wait for the sale if you want to buy this saree, because I bought it for ₹499, and right now the price of this one is somewhere around 1200, so you just have to wait for it. And I really loved it. The color combination is really pretty. The fabric of this one is again art silk, and as you guys can see on the border, it has got nice elephant print. The color combination good, so it's a really good saree. And if you get that for ₹499 under ₹500, it's pretty good, and you can style it for some puja, family functions, or anything. Even for wedding functions also you can style it with the nice kundan jewelry and that. Next is this grey chikankari work sari. Fabric is soft nazneen. I don't know what exactly that is, but it was really nice fabric. It feels very smooth on the skin, and it also got a cutout border detailing, as you guys can see. I really loved everything about this one, but the color which is shown on the website, actually it's not that same. It's quite dull, but if you like this color, you can go for this. And actually the best part about this one is when you wear it, you will look little lean. So maybe because of the fabric, or maybe because of the design, or whatsoever the detailing is. And it also got some nice golden work detailing on the pallu, which you guys can see clearly. So you can also match this one with your golden blouse piece, and if you want, you can go for the same matching blouse piece. And yeah, that's it.
Do you wanna dance?
Moving to the next one, which is this orange printed sari, and this comes with a 100% Mysore silk fabric. So I'm not sure it's 100% Mysore silk or not, but yeah, it feels really nice on the skin. So if you like this sari, you can definitely go for it. Again, one of my favorite sari. I really like the color of this one, and it's not that dark orange and not that dull. It's really pretty color, and the color combination is also good. That comes with a touch up of a little gray or blackish color, so it makes it really nice. And it also got a tassel detailing on the pallu. It's very lightweight, again easy to drape, and you can style these type of sarees for daily wear, or maybe some small family gatherings and all that stuff. And actually if you look at the price, then I think these all the sarees are totally worth buying. I mean, in under rupees 500 you are getting these type of sarees which are really nice, easy to drape, and you can carry them for daily purpose. And even some of them are really pretty that you can even drape them for some wedding functions as well. So I think it's always a great options, and they are really affordable and really apt in that price. Next is this multicolor checked sari. The fabric of this one is Bhagalpuri silk, and again this is also one of my favorite sari from this haul. I really love the color combination of this one. The fabric feels quite good, and the color is very striking, and there is always a color variation from the images they have shown on the website and the one you received, because yeah, sometimes it depends on the camera, but otherwise I really loved everything about this one. Very affordable, very nice fabric, very girly, and if you guys are looking something to go for your farewell or college small parties, you can definitely go for this one. Next is this maroon printed sari, which comes with zari border work. As you guys can see, also it has a different design on the pallu. And the fabric of this one is cotton, as they have mentioned, but it's a stiff cotton, not really soft cotton. And also these type of sarees always make you look little bulky, so just make sure before buying that. And apart from that, everything seems really nice. I mean, the color is really pretty, and that zari border work looks really nice. It's perfect for some small puja functions. Also, you can drape it in daily wear. And just one more thing, guys, before buying any saree from Amazon or from any other site, just go through with the reviews, because that always helps you to decide about the product. So
do you wanna dance?
and here comes the last sari, which is a pink printed sari, and the fabric of this one is 100% synthetic and very buttery fabric. It feels really good on the skin. I totally loved it because of the fabric. Also, the best part is these type of sarees always makes you look very lean because of the fabric, and it's a very girly saree. So if you guys are looking something for your college farewells or any fest, you can definitely go for it. It's really nice, feels good on the skin, easy to drape, and very affordable. So yeah. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, do let me know in the comment section which saree you like the most, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye.